Wake up. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Get up. She gets up early to exercise. Turn on. Please turn on the lights. Turn off. Don't forget to turn off the stove. Pick up. Can you pick up the phone? Put down. Put down the book on the table. Take off. Please take off your shoes before entering. Put on. He put on a jacket before going outside. Give up. She decided to give up smoking. Go out. We usually go out for dinner on weekends. Come in. Please come in and have a seat. Sit down. Sit down and relax for a while. Stand up. Stand up when the national anthem is played. Look for. I am looking for my keys. Throw up. After eating too much, she threw up in the bathroom. Get along. They get along very well with each other. Dig up. They dug up the garden to plant new flowers. Work out. He works out at the gym every morning. Break down. My car broke down on the way to work. Drop off. I will drop you off at the station. Fill out. Please fill out this form before the appointment. Pass away. His grandfather passed away last year. Climb up. She decided to climb up the hill. Jump over. He can easily jump over the fence. Run after. The dog loves to run after the ball. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.